How to replace the matrix remover main board. Remove the 2 screws. Unplug all connectors. Take note of their position. Unscrew and remove the knobs. Unscrew the 2 mounting nuts. Remove the screws and slide out the motherboard. Install the new motherboard and secure it onto the panel. Reinstall the mounting nuts. Turn both potentiometers to 0 point by rotating them counterclockwise. Reinstall the knobs and tighten the screws. Plug in all connectors. Mount the panel into the unit and secure it with the screws. The replacement procedure is now complete.